What's up guys, this is Eddie from WTI. Now, if you're looking for an iPad holder that not only will hold and protect your iPad, but will also do the same thing for your Apple Pencil, I highly recommend this one right here. Now, there's a couple of features of it that I really appreciate and love. First of all, once you open it up, you notice that it has a nice microfiber feel to it, which is really good for your screen. Also, the slot for your Apple Pencil is well built. I've never had an incident where the pencil has fallen out, slipped out, and that's extremely important because these tips on these pencils are very sensitive. So to know that you have that peace of mind that it's snug and in place is huge. Also, I really appreciate the viewing angle. You can put it in a way that it can stand upright, especially if you're sitting down at a table or a desk, and you can enjoy your iPad that way as well. Overall, this cover is so well built. I really like it. The back is a hard cover and it has a hole for your cameras also, so you can actually take pictures and it doesn't obstruct the view at all. I really like this cover a lot, and that's my point of view.